Hello kids, welcome back to you in our English class. Children, today before going to start our new chapter from our English book, let's have a look on our previous chapter. My dear children, in this chapter what we have learned last class? In our last class, we have discussed about action. What is action and what are the action words that we have discussed in this chapter? So again, let's repeat it. See, what is action, children? Action is a way which we can express ourselves to others. Through action, we can express ourselves to others. Action is a way which we can express ourselves to others. So, what are the actions are there in our book? Cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Praying, P-R-A-Y-I-N-G, praying. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. Writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Then singing, S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Then sleeping, S-L-E-E-P-I-G, sleeping. These are the action words in our book is given here. So children, some more action I have told you that are crying and rubbing, rolling, tapping, crawling. These are also express. These are also action. So children, again, what is action, children? Action is a way which can express ourselves to others. So many actions are there, and here in this chapter we learn some action words. So now let's go to our next chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn about this and that. This and that. So my dear children, open page number 39 and chapter number 12. Page number 39 and chapter number 12. And the chapter name is Use of This and That. T-H-I-S, this, T-H-A-T, that. This and that. Use of this and that. The name of this chapter is Use of This and That. In this chapter, we are going to learn where we will use this and where we will use that. So, children, this is used for a thing near. We can use this for a things which are near to us. This is used for a thing near, and that is used for a thing far away. That is used for a thing far away. So children, this बोलने से क्या है, हम हिंदी में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? यह, जो हमारे पास में होता है यह, और that जो दूर में होता है वह. This यह and that वह. So children, this is used things or person. A thing or a person which are close to us, which are near to us. What I told? This is used the things or person which are close to us or near to us. And this, that, D-H-A-T, that is used things or person not near or far away from us, which are far from us. There we can use that. And this we use the things or person which are close to us. Okay children, so see here one picture is given here. See, one boy is here and he is saying THAT, that IS is my bed. That is my bed. See, bed is near or far from this boy? Yes, the bed is far. The bed is far. So, that is my bed. This bed is far away from this boy. So, that is my bed. This boy is saying that is my bed because that bed is far from that boy. Understood children? Again, that is my almirah. THAT, that IS is MY, my, ALMIRAH, almirah. That is my almirah. So, can you tell me children which is almirah? Yes, this is almirah. This is almirah. And this almirah is far or near to this boy children? Yes, that almirah is far away from this boy. So, that is my almirah. This boy is saying that is my almirah because that almirah is far away from this boy. And see, that is my shirt. Where is that shirt children? Where is shirt? Yes, inside the almirah one shirt is here. Yes or no? Yes, one shirt is inside the almirah and that shirt is also near to that boy. So here, that is my shirt. This boy is saying that is my shirt because that shirt is far away from that boy. That is my shirt. THAT, that IS is MY, my, SHIRT, shirt. That is my shirt. See, this shirt is far away from this boy. So, that boy is saying that is my shirt because that shirt is far away from him. And next, see, THAT, that IS is MY, my, BALL, ball. That is my ball. Now see, where is the ball? Yes, the ball is here. That ball is here. This ball is also far away from this boy. So, that is my ball. This boy is saying that is my ball because that ball also far away from him and it is near this almirah, but that is far away from this boy. So that is my ball. This boy is saying that is my ball. So children, what I told you, here we can to know that is used the things or person. The things or maybe a person is not near. Not near means it's far from us. Not near means far. So the person or things far, not near, far from us, that there we will use that. Understood children? Now see these lines. THIS this, IS is, MY my, STUDY study, TABLE table. This is my study table. Study table means, what is study table children? Dear children, study table means that table where we are sitting and study. That table is called study table. So this boy is studying on this table. So this is study table, and this is my study table. This boy is saying, this is my study table. See, this table is near for him. This table is close to him. So this is my study table. This study table is near to this boy. So this boy is saying, this is my study table, because this table is near to him. Yes or no, children? Yes, this table is near to him. Now say, this is my chair. This is a chair. Do you know, children, what is the name of this thing? Yes, this is chair. Everybody know this is chair, and we all are sitting in chair. So chair, this is my chair, because this boy is here and this chair is close to him. So here, this is my chair, because this thing is near, close to him. So this is my chair. This boy is saying, this is my chair. And see, THIS, this, IS is MY, my, BOOK, book. This is my book. See, here one book is here on the table, and this book also near to him, and this book also near to this boy. So this boy is saying, this is my book. What he is saying? This is my book, because this book is close to this boy. And see, this is my dog. Yes. Where is that dog, children? Yes, under the chair. One dog is here, sitting under the chair. This is my dog. This boy is saying, this is my dog, because this dog is close to this boy. This is my dog. Let's read this line. THIS, this, IS is MY, my, DOG, dog. This is my dog. See, this is a dog, and this dog is close to this boy. So dear children, what we learn in this chapter? We learn where we will use this and where we use that. This is used things or person which are close to us or near to us, and that is used the things or person not near or far away from us. Understood, children? I hope you all are understand what I am teaching you. जो चीज हमारे पास होता है तब हमें बोलना है दिस, और अगर कोई पर्सन और कुछ चीज अगर हमसे बहुत दूर है तब हम दैट यूज करते हैं. अगेन चिल्ड्रन, वन मोर टाइम, लेट्स रीड इट. दैट इज माई बेड. दैट इज माई बेड. दैट इज माई अलमीरा. दैट इज माई शर्ट. That is my ball. This is my study table, because this table is near. This is my study table. This is my chair. This is my book. This is my dog. This is my dog. Now turn one page, children. Open page number 40. Page number 40. Here one exercise is here in our book. Open this exercise. See, here mummy is here, and one girl is in the garden, and one boy is here in a bicycle. So what we have to do here, children? See, cross out the wrong word. Cross out the wrong word. In this exercise, we have to cross out the wrong word, which is wrong. That word, in that word we have to put a cross. So see, one already here is done for you. Here, this or that is a tap. Here we have to choose. Here this or this will come or that will come. That we have to check out. Tap is a tap. See, where is the tap? Yes, this is tap. And here mummy is here. And mummy is, the tape is far away from mummy. So, as we know, the things which are far away, there we will use that. So, this is wrong, that is correct. So, here wrong, we have to cross here in this word, this, and the correct is that. That is a tap because the tap is far away from mummy. Now see, this or that is a plate. Here, where is the plate? Yes, mummy is holding a plate and this plate is near to mummy. So, which one will be the correct? This or that? We know that this is used to use things or person which are close to her. Plate is close to mummy, so this is the correct answer. We have to put cross in that. Okay, children. Now see the next line. This or that is a gas stove. Gas stove is near or far to mummy? Can you tell me, children? This gas stove is near or far? Yes, this gas stove is near to mummy. So, we have to, near means this will be the correct answer and that will be the wrong answer. So, we have to put cross here. Understood, children? Now see, here, next picture. See, one beautiful girl is in the garden. One flower is here, one nice tree is here, and bird, here cloud is here, and the sky, some flowers here. How beautiful it's looking. Yes or no, children? Yes. See, this or that is a bird. This or that is a bird. Bird, where is that bird? Yes, here, flying in the sky, and the bird is far away from the skull. So, what will be the correct answer? Because this is far, so that will be the correct answer and this will be the wrong answer. So, we have to put cross in this. That is a bird because bird is far away from this girl. Children, here I have prepared one worksheet for you. Look at this picture. This or that. Here are some pictures are there and we have to write this or that for this picture. Okay, see, Dax is a tree. Dax is a tree. This tree is far or near? The tree is very far. So, what we will write here? We will write that. That is a tree because the tree is far away from us. So, here we will write that. T H A T, that. Now see the next picture. What is this? This is a ball. This ball is near to us. So what we will write here, children? Here we will write this. T H I S. This is a ball. This is a ball. Now see, what is this picture? This is a tub, and the tub is far away and it is not close to here. So we will write here that, because the tub is far. T H A T. That is a tub. That is a tub. Now see the next picture. What is this picture, children? Star. The star is far. So here what we will write? That is a star. The spelling of that: T H A T. That is a star. Now see this picture. What is this picture, children? This is a picture of a pencil. Picture of a pencil, and this pencil is near. So here we will write. What we will write it? Here we will write this. This is a pencil. T H I S. This is a pencil. Again see, the tree is far away. So here we will write that is a tree, and this ball is near. This is a ball. That is a tub, because the tub is far away. That is a star. Again the star is far away from us, and this is a pencil, because this pencil is close to us. This is a pencil.